Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Keeping it short, subscribe. You already know what to do. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so right now. I have to hurry before the sun sets. I literally have like 20 minutes before it gets dark outside, so we're gonna hop right into this. So I also did a ton of DIY projects in here, so as I go around the apartment, I'll just kind of point out the specific projects to you. Just know that there will be an individual video on most of them. I moved here in August of 2018. It is now June 2019, so I've been here for almost a year now. This apartment has almost a year's worth of, wear and tear, so bear with me. Don't mind the hair change. It is August 2019. Disclaimer, you will be seeing clips from both June and August. Don't worry, the apartment looks the same. I forgot to say this back in June, but I will be linking almost every single item in this apartment in the link down below. So if there's something that you see that you like, click the link below. This is my entrance. Nothing fancy. This is the first thing you see when you walk in. You see my coat closet. All my coats, hoodies. Nothing special here. So one of the reasons why my apartment was so cheap was because of how ugly my kitchen is. We're not gonna spend too much time in here. I got things that I never use, like my crock pot. I bought it like, ooh, I'm gonna make all these recipes. Never did. Blender, random essentials, more random stuff. Ooh, this right here, rose gold. DIY project number 1. I made this ottoman all by myself. Not bad, huh? Whole thing was under 50 bucks. I was literally gonna have like a console table right here. And I was gonna have the rocks here with maybe a plant. And this was supposed to be the bowl where I kind of put my keys and stuff, but I never got around to getting a mini table for over there, so. This couch is so comfortable. This is where I spend a gajillion hours of my life, so. This apartment came with AC, which is lovely. Let's show this balcony before it gets too dark. This balcony is a pretty decent size. Ooh, the sky looks so cotton candy-like. So this is my view. I love that my balcony has this kind of roof thing over it, so even when it rains, I can still go outside. Y'all, look at this tragedy that happened out here. My poor plant! My balcony is another unfinished project. I never furnished it, but oh well, I've been here too long, over it. So the next thing you see is this little hallway over here. These 2 doors are closets, so that's the first closet. These are the second 2 closets. This one's kind of just like a junk closet. I just have extra comforters because I have a lot of friends who like to visit me and sleep over. So I have a blow-up mattress, just random junk bucket, my gym bag. Here's my favorite. I pretty much organized it by putting all my like boot type of shoes at the bottom. And then I have my, honestly, college heels that need to be donated, but I just haven't done it yet. These are my business professional heels. Ugh, these are my favorite. These two. I wear them every chance I get, every conference. And then these are more of my like party type of heels. And then winter boots. Wow, I skipped right over these. Look at this heat. Okay, I'm done. So this next door is my bathroom. My lights are kind of loud. Major DIY project in here. If I can find the clip, I'm gonna put it somewhere off to the side so you can see what my bathroom floors looked like beforehand. Completely redid these floors. This is my sink area. This is my absolute favorite soap dispenser. Ugh, so cute. So I guess in here I kind of went with like a baby blue / silver bronze theme in here. I don't know. So I will have a video on how this beautiful wall came about. Everything is supposed to be renter friendly. So when I move out in the next couple of months, I'll have a video showing me tearing this all down, and I'll let you know if the walls have been damaged. Also, stay tuned for a video showing how me and my friend were able to put this wall up. This art piece, let me tell you about this art piece. You know when you picture an outfit in your mind and you're like, ooh, this is gonna be fire, and then you actually put the outfit on and you look in the mirror like, this is one of those moments. I don't know, I saw this in the store and it looked so nice in my head. I was like, oh, this is gonna go perfect with my bedroom. And then I put it up and I feel like it doesn't completely go with my room. So in my next apartment, I'm gonna make sure that I can incorporate this better into one of my rooms, so. I have these hinges here and they're stuck to the wall with command strips, if you can see. They're not screwed in. And I thought it looked really ugly, so I put some glitter stuff over it, ribbon. This is my little vanity area, another DIY project. They are super bright and you can play with the brightness. Don't ask me why I'm using my tripod. I had a smaller handheld camera thing holder and I broke it, so we're gonna use my tripod. Don't judge me, thank you. This is my favorite part about my room. I mean, yeah, I like my wall and stuff, but woo, this is my favorite part. So this is like my junk beauty drawer. And then this is where I keep my jewelry. Don't rob me, none of this is real. So I keep my, cheap little H&M watches over there, and then I keep my sunglasses in the corner. This ottoman is a lifesaver. If you thought this was all the products that I had, you're sadly mistaken. Product junkies. So this ottoman opens up, and this is where I put all of pretty much the remainder of my hair products. I have this big bucket just full of stuff, straightening iron, curling iron, and then, my bag of goodies. And it's sealed away, and no one ever knows what's inside. So this is my closet. I really couldn't fit the rest of my shoes anywhere, so I just throw the ones that I don't really wear like that in the corner here. I need to donate most of these anyway. And I have my bucket of hats, my bucket of scarves and gloves. Yeah. Alright, that's the end of the apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will go through and show exactly where I got every single item, and I'll give you the store, the price, and a link if I can find it too. Stay tuned for all the DIY videos that are gonna come about. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Raisin Standards.